Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can recharge Amazon Prime. So for that you will have to open up Amazon, the app, and on the top left hand side corner you will be able to see this option of Prime. And in case if it is not showing in your device, then you can just simply go to search and search for Amazon Prime membership, and after that just click on this very first thing that you will see on the results. Just click on it. After that, if you are eligible, you will be provided with 30-day free trial, and if you are not, then you can just simply subscribe for monthly subscription or the yearly subscription. And this is how you will be able to recharge your Amazon Prime. Just select it and click on join. After that you will have to provide your card details, and in case if you want to pay using UPI, then just select the UPI, and after providing your UPI details you will have to make the payment, and after making payment you will be able to recharge it. And this is how you recharge your Amazon Prime account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.